Hey everyone, Carlos over at BearBullTraders.com. Here's my recap for today. I had a good day on fast on the opening range breakdown and also on a reversal. So on the opening range breakdown, the first trade I took, this thing lost the VWAP here, so I got in short about 937. Then it started dropping. It had a nice pullback here, which would have been another great entry. And then once it made a newer low, I took some profits out. It immediately bounced back after hitting this level here, or this low here, a newer low. So then on the next candle, it was having a bit of a struggle trying to sell off. So what I did was, as soon as we had this move, I took the rest out because I just didn't like the fact that it was just not selling off, and making newer lows. So I got out there. Then over here, what I saw was that it just continued to hold this level. So this kind of looks like a double bottom that Brian and us in the chat room trade a lot. I mean, you can kind of see it here a little bit, and I want to say here. So you kind of got this, another dip here. So once I saw that and I saw the volume coming in here, you can see here. Yeah, here it is. Once the volume coming in, I figured, this is going to be a bounce at least back to VWAP. So I got in long, took some profits as it made a newer high. Once it cracked VWAP, I took some more profits. Once it started selling off, I was expecting it to start dropping again. So I took some off here, just left a little bit just in case it continued on its way up. It did that, it left the VWAP, took some more here, and then took the rest here. And actually on this balance that I had here on shares, I wanted to take them out at 52.40. I had an order sitting out there, but plenty of times I have done that and then the stock drops and I miss out on a couple of cents. So once it took 1, 2, 3 minutes, I said, you know what, let me just take it out here. And like Andrew says, I made my money on that. So did just that, took the rest out. I mean, this stock, I wish I would have held it. This thing went all the way up to $54. But again, it's all about probabilities. How many times have we taken a trade that the probability is that it's going to drop down, not do this amazing move? So and then here, this was just a simulation trade. I was trying to see if I could take a short here because I was done with my trading day. Let me see what else. So on MU, we try to take a short, losing the VWAP back to the new low of the day. So Andrew called this out in the chat room. I went short. And then it dropped below the VWAP, but it didn't really want to sell off. It was struggling hard to to lose some of these levels. So I just got out completely for $74. Now at this point, again, it was just very small shares because I'm already made my goal for the day. So very small shares here. And then the other trade I had was on HCHV. This was a low flow stock. So again, very small share. I think I took 100 shares just to try to see if we could crack the high of day. If you can see here, we had a lot of volume coming in, and then here we were expecting for it to to crack the high of day and continue on its way up. It didn't do that, so I stopped out at the moving averages. So again, I don't usually trade low flows, but if I am going to test something out, it's going to be very small shares. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.